Alright, here we're at my house today. So, had some fun last night at midnight, a little past, out there on the street in my car. So these pictures are really hard to see here, but this light is not helping one bit. Basically, my car's totaled. These pictures are so dark. Why is it dark? I just got done lighting these up. They're at full brightness, so it's hard to see here, but anyway, I got this little car here poked in front of my car. So it kind of went boom, boom. Damn, these pictures are horribly long, dark. But anyway, that's the car that did it. So it's a Honda Accord poked in front of my car. And these pictures are worse out here in the light than they were in the house. Let's get over here where there's no light. Maybe that'll help me. There we go. We also see if I drop my computer on the floor. Come on, computer, work on me here. Alright, so there's the car here. Here's my dad's truck, and here's my car. Turned sideways in the front yard there. So it's hard to see, but because the pictures are... My camera don't work good at night. There's the rear wheel poking out the back of my car, so... And there's a gal that did it. She's famous. So, a drunk. So it sounded like a bomb went off last night, and no squealing, no scratching, no crushed metal, just a big boom that the whole house shook, and it destroyed my car for me. So it's you can see how the rear end was up here, up on the sidewalk. It was parked way back here. It moved forward about 4 feet. The rear tire was over here. No, over there. Yeah, about 7 feet it moved it. You see the skid mark in the ground? Yeah, that's from the car that hit me. It was jammed into the ground and turned 90 degrees sideways. Probably doing about 30, 35 down the street here and hit my car. So basically, you can see the damage done to it. It hit the wheel, shoved the car forward. In the back, the dad's truck bent his bumper over the hill and moved his truck 3 feet. See where the tire was there? It slid forward. Common traffic here. So it moved his truck forward. You can see how the tire markers are on the step right there. And it moved it forward. That's 8,000 pounds, and the brakes were locked. You can see the skid marks in the ground where it slid forward. It's up against the curb, that's why it didn't bounce. You can see how it slid forward. Where the curb's missing, the truck came this way a little bit, then went back out when it's against the curb. Bent Dad's bumper down a little bit. There's my car. It broke the steering wheel on mine because those wheels are locked, and they're not locked. I point forward when I park, just like that. So the wheels turned for whatever reason. You can see how hard it hit the back of Dad's truck. It bounced the whole truck forward. So, totaled out my car, that's for damn sure. Anyway, I don't see any damage on this side of the car. Well, you can see where it hit the bumper and slid it sideways here. And poked it through the side. The trunk is hitting against the quarter right here, so I know I moved it a little bit. That's the only damage I see on this side. So I don't know how much frame damage there's underneath, but probably some. Okay, we're clear, slightly clear. Much we can do about traffic around here. It is what it is. So, get this stupid light to work. So under here is the suspension. It's busy street during the day. Oh well. They're parking right here, but anyway, it ripped this all out under here. Let's see where it hit my bumper. There's a shattered A-arm out. Shipped up into the body. Looks like the shock has still survived. Might be some door damage. Broke out the front of the car here a little bit.
What happened to the car? Somebody hit it overnight?
Drunk driver hit it. Right in the middle of the dam. Oh well. Doesn't get any better all day long, so it doesn't matter. I reinforced this frame under here because I bent it hauling all my junk to the mountain, so it's been reinforced. So you can see how the bracket got bent down here. And other than that, I don't see a lot of damage. It looks like the frame didn't go. It looks like the bracket itself bent. And the frame looks fine under here. Dad built a strong bumper. It didn't hurt my bumper any. Good homemade bumpers. Alright. Yeah, no traffic right now. There you go. Traffic is coming though, but oh well. Alright. Either way. Oh well, fun. Anybody got a Cadillac STS for sale? Seville? 99 to 04 or 5, whatever you get it in. I think I need another one. This one looks used. Yeah, Dad's bumper did not get hurt. Bumper's still straight. Didn't hurt it at all. It's like the front one. It don't get hurt when you hit shit with it. I pushed a tree down with it up the mountain, so didn't hurt it any. Oh well. There you go. Look at this rear door here, and it's trying to determine how bent it is under here. Traffic is definitely not helping me. Okay, it broke out. You can see how the frame, the inner wheel well has been bent, moved forward about an inch at least up behind the seat. That's where the wheel jammed in hard. So, you know there's damage up inside here, without a doubt. Bent things out a little bit. Definitely moved this whole quarter over 6 inches. Shouldn't surprise me. I open a trunk, it might not close again, but I think it probably would, but I don't know. It's definitely got some issues. Yeah, you don't, obviously you can't see anything from this side over here. It is what it is. All right.